Hello fellow modelers and styling fanatics, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing fine and enjoys the hobby. My name is George and today's Concrete Bunker broadcast is for the final reveal of the Cancer Awareness Group build of 2020. Before I jump onto the reveal, I want to thank Bob Bueskin for hosting this group build. It is always nice when a bunch of great modelers gather up and do a themed build. But enough with this. Let's jump to the main event. So crack a cold one, grab a seat and let's go. For this group build I have chosen to do a Citroen Desevaux from Tamiya in 1:24 scale and kit number 25415. My color choice was dark blue, which represents the colon cancer, and it is for my grandmother. And here it is. Since the last time I have managed to finish detailing the engine. Let me show you. Which includes the air filter, air ducts, car battery, which I've added some cables, and underneath the car battery the brake booster, in which I have also added brake lines that right now are not visible. As soon as I finish with the engine, I have started working on the clear parts. Give me a moment. As always, I have used black Sharpie to pick up the rubber seals of the windows. The kit provided me with the option of having the driver's side window open, but I couldn't do it, so I left it closed. As I waited for the PVA to cure on the windows, I have worked on the headlights assembly and on the tail lights also. The next day I have proceeded to the front and rear bumper assemblies. According to reference photos, the center parts of the bumpers had to be black. The kit provides you with 2 decals, but it doesn't tell you anything until the final stage of the decals. So I didn't realize it on time and hadn't painted them with matte black. As soon as I have finished with the bumpers, I have started installing chrome parts, which in my opinion are the worst parts this kit provides you with because they look totally fake. But since I haven't discovered any good way to do chrome, I left them as they were. Last part of the build sequence was the choice of open or closed top, and of course my choice was the open top, as you can see, because I wanna have a clear view to the interior. My last touch was the application of decals, which was nothing fancy, just some badges and the front and rear license plate. And with all that, we've made it up to this point, my friends. For more build details, stick to the end of the video for the usual slideshow. I hope you guys enjoyed this build. If so, you all know what to do. Once again, a huge thank you to Bob Bueskin for hosting this group build. I hope I will be able to participate again next year. Until the next time, fellow modelers, stay safe and model on. It was that Mofo Damon signing out.